Hello, friend. I received the hologram microcosm about 2, 3 days ago, and while I was messing around, I realized that I managed to get a sound that was really close to Nicholas Yar. And you can refer to some of the tracks, some that I really like, for example, Variations, El Bandido, or Took Me Out of the Dark Rain. So I managed to have a feeling really close to this, and I was really excited to share it with you. To test my microcosm hologram, I plugged in the electron model cycle. So what I'll do here is that first I'll show you how I did it with the hologram, and then I'll show you how I tried to redo the same thing just with Ableton native instruments and audio effects. The only thing that I'm downloaded that is not coming with Ableton is Valhalla. It's a reverb and you can download it for free from the internet. So the microcosm, here it's on, now it's off. I'm in the glide mode, the second preset. So let's listen to the sound coming from the model cycle. So this is the sound coming just from the model cycle. 4-bar loop, there is one chord, really simple. Now if I turn on the hologram microcosm, there's a whole ambience around it. Without the hologram, with the hologram. So this is the part that got me really excited, and what I'm thinking now is, what if I try to redo the same but without the model cycle and the microcosm? So I recorded the sounds coming from the model cycle. I have the audio here, and what I did is bring in a flutter, which is a delay. So if you go in Ableton delay and loop, you have the flutter here. So I activate it. Next, I'm bringing an echo, and the echo is the 8-ball clean delay echo. And one thing that I made sure to do is that you can add a filter, a high pass filter here in the echo, to make sure that your kick is not being delayed as well. So I put a high pass filter around here just to have the hi-hat being delayed. And the last piece is to add the reverb, the Valhalla room. So this is the result that I have with Ableton. And this is the result that I have with the model cycle and the microcosm. And when I listen to Nicholas Yar tracks, it's closer to what I have with Ableton. It was more simple. I think he was using some pedals and some effects, but the tracks have about 15 years now, and it's really looping like this, so he worked a lot more on the effects and the crunchiness. But now with the model cycle and the microcosm, we have more depth. So I think the key here is to be using some more pedals that goes into the granularity and the reverb. I hope you enjoyed the track, and we'll talk soon. Bye bye.